everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'm going to be trying something that Natural Rain tried on her channel, and she tried to do the wet look. It didn't really turn out like the wet look, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do to see if I can get it. Okay, really? Okay, let me be honest. Really, I wanted to try this combo, but I didn't have a real reason to try this combo. I wanted to use these three. So you guys know I love the curling custard along with my Wetline gel. You guys already know. Y'all done seen the video, and y'all know I like the curling custard with the Style Factor gel. Today, I'm gonna be using all three, okay? So I'm gonna be using the curling custard, the Wetline, and the Style Factor friend, because I feel like you just gotta weigh these curls down. And I'm thinking about grabbing a mousse that's up there. We'll see. We're gonna see what I'm looking like in a minute. But I've already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, all that. Y'all already know. If y'all haven't watched my wash day routine video, I'll put it right up here for you to watch. But we're good and moisturized. Okay, we are dripping, which was what I wanted. Okay. And I'm gonna work pretty darn fast because I have a lot of products right here. And since my hair is already wet, I do have some water in a spray bottle, but I'm hoping I don't have to actually use that. Girl, we finna see. And boy, girlfriend is an expression. Just in case y'all didn't know. In case y'all thought I was being rude when I say girl. Girl is an expression. Anyway, curling custard. Now this is gonna be mainly for the shine. Go ahead and put the curling custard on. Y'all know it just looks bitty shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Okay, see how that just boom? It's already looking wet. It's already, that's that wet look right there. But you just gotta make it stay like that. You know what I'm saying? And then go in with the wet line on top. Yeah, with the wet line on top. All right. This shit gonna be so stuck and froze, friend. Woo! I never say this, but really, if y'all think this shit gonna work, please let me know. Like, at this point in the video, do you feel like it's about to work? Then go on top with y'all. This Style Factor is what's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Just stay there, friend. Stay there. Go ahead and add some of that, all that, undo that. You know, like putting on the perm or so. Go make sure you make that nice and flat. I'm going to take my brush that root. This is my good brush. These are my daddy brushes. He gave them to me, y'all. He tried to take them from me one time when he came to visit me. I was too mad. I had got so mad at him, I ain't talked to him for a few days and everything. That's the first one, y'all. I don't know if it's going to stay like that, but it's definitely weighing the hell out of my hair down. I'm just saying, like, my hair weighed down. So I'm going to keep going. You want to keep going? This is it. I think this is all I'm gonna do. I'm not saying that this is the wet look. I mean, it looks like it has potential. The main choice sent these to me in a box. I do have these large jumbo pins that I'm about to use to pin my hair like right here and right here. So as it's drying, it doesn't move. You know what I'm saying? Now I have those. And my theory is, because I want to keep this part flat, because I want this part to look like waves, because if you're coming out the water, I feel like this part is like really sleek to your head, you know what I'm saying? So I have these darn strips, right? So I'm like, maybe I should just put a few here so that it can dry like this. So I'm going to try to put a few of these on. I'm going to do it off camera, y'all, because I don't know how to work with these things. So I'm about to go try and put these on in my mirror and stuff, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, y'all, so I finally got 2 of these paper things, and I'll put them in the description bar if you guys want to know where I got them from. You can just get them from the beauty supply store. I've had these for years, but I just put 2 of them on and tied it back there, but I had to put my hair in a ponytail, y'all, because this hair is just too sticky to do anything back there. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out, though, and then I'm going to go sit under the dryer. This her look all on its own, sister. Girl, look at that curl. Hello. This combo might be good for a regular ass wash and go while I'm playing. While I'm playing in the thing, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. I might even put my scarf on just to make show. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting in the dryer for about 30 minutes to an hour. Make sure we dry and see how it looks. Okay, guys, so I just did my makeup. My hair is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I just kept this on because I didn't want my hair to get like super poofy, but it didn't look poofy anyway, as you guys can see. I do want to stretch it out a little bit more to get that crease out, but y'all, my hair is crispy like Cheetos. Like, we crispy like Cheetos, friend. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Like I said, I just did my makeup. If you guys want to see my makeup for this look, let me know and I can put it up for y'all, because I did film it. I was like, if I'm going to do the glowy look, I want to do it all. I know my chest looks super shiny. I actually just sprayed some sunscreen on, and this is what sunscreen does to your body. So let me cut this off. Got my sirs, honey. Hoo-dee-hoo. Oh, that's the bottom one. Okay, wait a minute. We got to cut this top one off. Just rip that thing. Rip it. Rip it. Sorry. I know that's what y'all saying right now. Just rip the shit off, Kim. Mind your business. Okay? And my hair is dry. My hair is dry. I shouldn't have put that darn thing on my hair, but I needed to get it off. I didn't want hair touching my shoulders and stuff. But what do you guys think? Wet look or not? Wet look or not? I feel like it's the wet look. For me to have so much damn hair, it is tame to the gods. Shiny than a mug. Wet look. Check. Done deal. Ain't nobody probably gonna do this. I don't know. Would y'all do this look? That's interesting. Would y'all actually do this? I mean, I was thinking it wasn't gonna be something that people actually wanted to wear, but now that I actually have done it, I'm like, this is kind of cute. Y'all, like, now I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with sunscreen. I'm obsessed. I am glistening with this sunscreen on me. This is the one with like the extended one so that you can get your back. You know, it has that like extended spray. How cool. Yeah. Anyway, just want to go ahead and get my shoulders and stuff too. Ain't no need of leaving them out, having them looking dull when everything else looking glossy. It's about to come past my ears if I take out the bobby pins. So I think I'm going to just leave the bobby pins right there. I had like a little diamond. I had a diamond little thing. That'll be so cute to put like little diamond things right there. That'll be prom. Anybody going to prom? How's this? Prom look? No? Wedding? Maybe not. Actually, I mean, I think it's really freaking cute. I think it's really cute, you guys. Like, I got a lot of hair. It does feel like my hair is condensed as a mug, but I would have to say these 3 products together did it. The curling custard went really well as the shine and the moisture. Shine and moisture. And then we had some hold with extra moisture. Okay, it's the Wetline. So how you gonna get the wet look without the Wetline? Don't know. Okay. And then this is like the topper. Like, my hair would not have stayed without this gel. This gel is the holding power, the strength. Okay. That's why you see everybody who do slick backs, they slick backs look like they ain't got no waves, because this here, it do not play when it comes to slicking anything down. And as you guys recall, I did use a hard bristle brush within here, so everything is pretty flat. So getting your hair super flat, taking your time, it all works. So, did I do it? Do you think I created the wet look with my natural hair? Do you guys think I did it? It's so nice and shiny. I feel like I can stretch it and it'll still be the wet look. Like, I don't feel like it'll take away from the wet look. So I think with this look, how I would wrap it, I think I'll take a satin scrunchie and put a ponytail and then just tie it down like that. And probably just like band all that one ponytail. I think that's how I'm going to sleep tonight. And I'm going to see if that just gives me some extra length. This actually was a very fun video to do. So thank you, Jalen, for giving me the idea. Thank you so much, because I wanted to try something different, and I think it came out really cute. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see this makeup tutorial, hype it up in the comment section below, and I will put it up. Just hype it up enough so that I can put it up. Y'all, it's so easy. Like, I did this within 30 minutes. This is a 30-minute look. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.